Welcome to our review of the top 5 best window cleaning robots. If you're tired of the hassle of manually cleaning your windows or need an efficient way to clean high and hard to reach glass, these innovative robots are designed to make your life easier. Let's dive into the best window cleaning robots on the market today. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Puruikai. The Puruikai window cleaning robot is an affordable yet powerful solution for keeping your windows spotless. It uses advanced suction technology to cling securely to glass surfaces, ensuring it doesn't lose grip even when cleaning at heights. With its intelligent path planning and automatic cleaning mode, the Puruikai robot works efficiently by covering large surfaces in a systematic pattern. This means it won't miss any spots while minimizing the time it spends moving across the glass. One of the standout features of the Puruikai is its ability to clean various types of glass, from windows to mirrors and even shower glass panels. It's equipped with a strong motor, which allows it to handle dirt, dust, and even stubborn stains with ease. Additionally, it comes with a safety rope for added security when cleaning high-rise windows, giving you peace of mind. The robot is designed to be easy to use, with just one press to start and a remote control for manual adjustments. Its built-in battery ensures the robot stays attached to the window even in the event of a power outage, preventing accidental falls. Overall, the Puruikai is an excellent entry-level window cleaning robot for those looking for an affordable yet reliable device. Number 4. Lectru YW810. The Lectru YW810 is a step up in terms of both functionality and performance. This robot offers more advanced cleaning technology, including an upgraded AI-powered navigation system that ensures every corner of your window is cleaned efficiently. It uses an intelligent zigzag path to thoroughly cover the surface, reducing the chances of leaving streaks or missed spots. With strong suction power, the YW810 is capable of handling windows of varying sizes and thicknesses, making it a versatile option for homes, offices, and more. What sets the Lectru YW810 apart is its dual cleaning pads. These microfiber pads rotate as they move across the surface, not only cleaning but also polishing the glass for a streak-free shine. The robot is equipped with a spray function, allowing it to automatically spray water or cleaning solution while it works, ensuring a deep and efficient clean. Another highlight is its ultra-quiet operation, meaning it won't disrupt your day, whether you're working or relaxing at home. It also comes with a backup battery to ensure it remains attached to the window in case of a power failure. For those seeking a window cleaning robot with extra features and enhanced cleaning power, the Lectru YW810 is a great option. Number 3. Chovery. The Chovery window cleaning robot brings high-end functionality at a mid-range price point, making it a popular choice among homeowners. This robot is designed with strong suction capabilities and an advanced AI system that maps out the most efficient cleaning routes. It can clean large windows with ease, navigating the surface while detecting and avoiding edges so it never falls off or leaves corners untouched. The Chovery is suitable for multiple surfaces, including frameless glass, tiled walls, and even glass doors. The Chovery robot's design incorporates reusable microfiber pads that effectively remove dust, grime, and water stains, leaving your windows crystal clear. It features both dry and wet cleaning modes, making it versatile enough to tackle different levels of dirt. You can also control the robot remotely using its app, giving you the flexibility to adjust cleaning modes, start or stop the cleaning process, or direct it to focus on specific areas. Another standout feature is its low power consumption, ensuring that it operates efficiently without driving up your electricity bill. With its strong performance and smart features, the Chovery robot offers excellent value for anyone looking to maintain clean windows effortlessly. Number 2. Abir WD8. The Abir WD8 is a high-performance window cleaning robot designed for those who need fast, reliable, and thorough cleaning. This model boasts an ultra-powerful motor with strong suction, ensuring it clings tightly to the surface for stable and effective cleaning. With its advanced AI navigation, the Abir WD8 ensures full coverage of your windows, no matter their size or shape. It features a built-in water tank and spray system, which allows it to automatically mist the window as it cleans, reducing the need for manual pre-cleaning. One of the best features of the Abir WD8 is its multi-surface capability. Not only does it work well on glass windows, but it can also clean tiled walls, mirrors, and even floors. The robot uses a dual-spin cleaning system, where the rotating pads scrub away dirt and grime for a spotless finish. It comes with multiple safety features, including a backup battery and a safety rope, ensuring it doesn't fall off the window even if the power goes out. The Abir WD8 can be controlled via remote or smartphone app, giving you full control over its operation from anywhere in your home. With its combination of smart features and robust cleaning power, the Abir WD8 is perfect for those who need a high-quality, hands-free window cleaning solution. Number 1. PureRobo WS9S. Topping our list is the PureRobo WS9S, the ultimate window cleaning robot for those who want the best in both technology and convenience. This model is equipped with a cutting-edge AI navigation system that scans your window and creates the most efficient cleaning route, ensuring it doesn't miss any spots. The PureRobo WS9S boasts incredibly powerful suction and a dual rotating cleaning system, which allows it to scrub away even the toughest stains while leaving your glass sparkling. One of the standout features of the PureRobo WS9S is its ultra-quiet operation, making it ideal for use at any time of day. It also features a built-in water tank with an automatic spray function, meaning it can handle wet and dry cleaning modes seamlessly. The robot can be operated via its included remote control or through a smartphone app, offering you flexibility and ease of use. Additionally, the PureRobo WS9S has a robust safety system, including edge detection and a backup battery to prevent falls in the event of a power outage. Its sleek, modern design ensures that it looks as good as it performs, making it a top choice for anyone looking for a premium window cleaning robot that offers exceptional cleaning performance with minimal effort. And that's our list of the top 5 best window cleaning robots. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.